Here's a little update on my boat. It's got the anchor davit mounted there, the bow roller, yesterday. I just got the transducer mounted on yesterday. We got a 225 Yamaha. We'll go up inside here. It's all my electrical. Hydraulic for the trim tabs. Got my batteries on my little mounts. They're up so the channel of water flows through there down into the well. There's the pump. It's always live for when you have scenarios. So pump's always live. Even if the switch is off, the float is live. And here's the pier. Mechanical wall. We got the outlet for the diesel miser. They got about 95 gallons fuel tank reservoir there, so we can travel long distances. I'm a little picky on my door cutout because it is made out of Canacor. I just got done with carpeting. I got a couple of nice captain chairs that are fairly expensive. So those are my Canacor pedestals. I probably saved at least a couple $100 making those, and then I just wrapped them with boat carpet. So up here, the bunk area is pretty much pimped out. Here we got carpet around the whole area. This centerpiece is just Velcroed. It pops up to walk in there if you feel like, but it was just it was getting so much white that I was tired of white. I don't even like white. People ask me to do white trim. I kind of cringe, but I do it anyways. But gotta put a little color in the boat. Some of this is original. This is original stuff through here, re-sanded and varnished and stuff. I still got a little bit of carpet to go. I didn't do the ceiling. The back wall is all complete. Coming down through here is my little diesel miser right there. Pumps out the heat. Super efficient. Got it on the back wall there. Got it wrapped with fiberglass wrapping because the pipe gets super duper hot. There's all the carpet there. Got AZAC trim around it. It's like melted down milk jugs, kind of. But here she is. Just an update here. I still gotta get her cleaned up here and vacuum up through here after all the carpet. There's a lot of carpet fibers all over this place. So got a nice Garmin. It's touchscreen. It's kind of like an iPhone. VHS, all good. There's my antenna. Just open the window up and prop her up. That's what I did with the bow setup up here. Just want to get the anchor all the way forward and keep it out of the boat. Wipers work. Those are original. Luckily they work. So that was a couple $100 there that saved me because they still work. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my boat. I still got stuff to do. Just got some hydraulic issues. I took out the rest of the air that was in the helm and the hydraulic steering. But that's about it for now. I just got to get some downriggers put on over here. I got one electric Scotty. Super expensive, like $700 for a brand new one. But that's it for now. So I'm still in the process of getting her all like back to 100%. But yeah, that's pretty much it for now. Not too many people have seen my boat or even know it really exists, but this year I'll be able to take it out a bit more. I've only driven it 3 times, and it's just great. She cruises at 30-31 at 4 grand, 26 to 28 at 3,700 RPMs to 3,800. It'll mostly be cruising 37 to 3,800 for fuel efficiency, because fuel is skyrocketed and I can't afford to go fast. But as long as we get there, that's kind of the whole point. So yeah, that's about it.